Wellness Wednesday is sponsored by Clark's Nutrition Natural Foods Market. Live better, we can help.
Essential oils can be used for healing, sleep, for a mood booster, and even to clean. Here to talk more about how we infuse more aromatherapy into our life is Starkey Sowers and Erica Van Halen from Clark's Nutrition. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Good
for
to
having
see
us.
you. Is it Van Halen, like the Van Halen?
Oh, no, that'd be awesome.
Okay.
It's more like Van Holland.
Van Halen.
Yeah,
Okay,
perfect. You did it
fantastic.
great.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So how do we get more aromatherapy into our life? Because I know it's really beneficial, but sometimes I go down the aisles and I look at all this. I say, what do I do?
Yeah,
How do I use this?
Exactly. Yeah. So it's awesome because you not only can you use it for aromatherapy, but also, like you said, for healing, like things, for instance, like eucalyptus here.
Wow.
This
So
is good for your lungs.
fun eucalyptus, right?
Yeah.
You like eucalyptus?
Yeah, it's strong.
Okay,
It's very
do you use it in the shower, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
yes. I used it last night. My daughter's a little congested, so I put a little eucalyptus oil in there.
Yep, and
Yeah, it's
perfect
nice.
time of the year to use it, right?
Yeah.
It's a real
Yes,
nice
that ought
one.
to do it.
There's different types of eucalyptus, right? There's
There
60
is.
different
Yeah,
plants
different
or different
species.
species, right? So that's a nice little eucalyptus, right?
So I like the orange for mood booster. Again, you can use it like in a therapeutic way or in aromatherapy in the diffuser.
That's what we got going on right now.
Yeah. But you can also use it
Smells
like in a
so good.
spray your room, kind of as a refresher. Also, again, to boost your mood, you can put it on your temples, on your wrists
What
as well.
about peppermint?
Just like peppermint. Peppermint's actually really good for
Uplifting?
migraines, uplifting
yeah.
and
Oh, great.
migraines.
So, do you
So
put,
again,
I've always wondered, can you put this right onto your skin, or do you have to dilute it in water?
you should dilute it in another carrier oil, like maybe jojoba or
Okay.
Coconut oil?
Coconut oil.
Yeah, okay.
Honestly,
Okay.
even
You
oil
know,
in your kitchen.
Starkey turned me on to putting the oil in my lotion.
Right.
Yes.
And it works great.
Yeah, because it just does
Yep.
a diffusion,
I
so to
just
speak,
get
in the whole lotion.
regular lotion,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
I put my oils in and make
Yes,
my own
yeah.
blend.
Yep.
It's great.
Your own smell, yeah.
It's so nice.
Talk to me about clove. That's
Clove
crazy. You brought
is
clove. That's fun.
One of my favorites,
I love
especially if you have a tooth infection or you have like a sore in your mouth and you're not able to get over to
Yeah.
the dentist right away. It actually helps with antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory
It kind
also.
of kills the pain down.
Yeah,
Nice.
but it's really
wait,
strong.
Do you put
Not
it in
diluted.
something and then swish your mouth?
So I just put one drop on my toothbrush with my toothpaste.
Oh, fascinating.
Very
great
easy,
idea.
very
Look at
quick.
all these tips. I mean,
Or mouthwash too.
That's
You
a
can make a
genius
mouthwash.
yeah,
idea.
absolutely. It is
It
a
works.
genius
I love
idea.
it. The rose absolute. It's very just the fragrance is nice. It's calming, but it's also really good for your skin. So I usually add that to
you
my
can-
lotion.
No, that's okay. Don't worry. I don't want to open it up. But
You can add it to your lotion. So
Oh,
it's
great.
very healing again. It's very moisturizing.
Nice.
And then
It is kind of the beauty one, isn't it?
definitely, yeah, rose has
Yeah.
been around a while.
I could use a gallon.
And I can take out, I'm oftentimes when I'm just not feeling very well, I take a bath in Epsom salt. And I was just thinking you could probably
Yes.
put any of these oils
Yes.
in with the Epsom salt to make an aromatherapy
10
bath.
drops.
Or if you want,
Have it pre-made.
we've already
Yeah.
got it pre-made.
Oh, hey, okay. That's where we're going next.
Yeah, especially this time of the year, right? It's Valentine's Day coming up.
Oh,
Good moment.
That's a nice
way to
gift,
incorporate
too.
it.
Right.
You could draw a bath for your significant other, put some essential oils in there, a cup of Epsom
That's
salt.
lovely.
Yeah.
So what are these? Shower tablets.
Sour tablets.
These are great. I used one of these too for my daughter the other night. It was like a eucalyptus one.
Yep.
You just pop it in the
Opens your
base of
lungs.
your shower and the walittle hits it and the whole
Fizzes
shower.
up
nice.
into
It's like a
some-
little
yeah.
steamer.
Yeah.
It's like a steam room.
So
steam
those are really
bath,
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is super great. And then this is a kind of a bath in a bag.
Yep.
Correct. Yeah.
Ooh, that's
But
so
the
And different
chamomile.
aromatherapy in there. You've got different ones like rosemary as well as like
Calming.
chamomile for
Yes.
calming down.
Mineral
It's like
baths.
such
Ooh,
a
that's
great
so
combination.
For the little ones, that'd be nice if they're kind of hyper. You want to calm them down before they go to bed. Chamomile would be a really
Oh,
good
that's so fantastic. Wonderful. Thank you so
Yeah, no problem.
much.
Thank you
good
so
to
much for
see
having
you.
me.
Thank
Yeah.
you. This
Thanks,
is great. We
Erica.
got our home smelling all good for February.
one. Right?
Perfect.
And we'll be right back.